The group. Well, it's just after 9:15 on this Friday morning. That means it's time to check in with Clay and Dale of WYRK's Breakfast Club. Now, we always turn to you right before the weekend because it always seems like your weekends are jam-packed. So we have to catch up on what happened this week and also talk about the weekend. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is the Bills coach, Doug Marrone, was on stage with Kenny Chesney. How did this all come about?
Actually, it was out at the CMAC in Canandaigua, the Kenny Chesney show, and I kept looking to the side of the stage. I said, those guys look pretty important. You know, they're really close to what's going on here. I've never met Doug Marrone before, and all of a sudden, Kenny Chesney said, ladies and gentlemen, your new Buffalo Bills head coach, Doug Marrone. And the place exploded. It was awesome, and great to know that the guy's a country music fan. Even better.
And really unexpected, too. I didn't know he was a country music fan.
Yeah,
so,
pretty cool.
Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. He could be listening to us right now.
And it's cool for Kenny just pulling him on stage to pay tribute to him a little bit. I mean, that's a nice little touch. Now, we're talking also about some other music stars. Kelly Clarkson, of course, I like to call her the true American Idol. She's calling off her wedding, but don't worry, the relationship's not over. She's choosing to elope instead. Do you have any information on this?
Yeah, actually, it's an interesting thing because she's so busy all the time. And, of course, with the music industry, they're busy all the time with what they've got going on, family stuff, getting albums ready, touring together, and everything else that goes on with TV that they've got. So, you know, they're so busy, they're figuring, well, why put a wedding together? Let's just go away and get married.
They're going to just elope. And I think that was their plan to begin with, was to elope. So that's cool. I mean, really, sometimes it's just too much pressure, all the pomp and circumstances of a wedding, and they just want to have a laid back kind of thing.
Well, now that we've sort of caught up on what already happened, let's look to the future, what is happening. And of course, there's always something happening in country music. You have a big concert this weekend. Fill me in on all the details.
Yeah, it's actually a concert and barbecue event we've got going on. It's tomorrow, 5 till 10 at the Elegant Builders Raceway Park, Lancaster Speedway, basically. And we're going to be out there all afternoon. Liz from our morning show is going to be broadcasting live at 2. We've got David Nail, JT Hodges, West of the Mark, and, of course, lots of food.
Lots of barbecue, too. If you like barbecue, you like country music, come on out. And the tickets are pretty cheap. They're $10 and $20 if you buy them online. But, I mean, if you come out, we're going to have them at the gate. It's going to cost a little bit more for you, but it's going to be a good time, a lot of fun, and everybody that gets in the gate, everybody that comes in will get a pass for a future racing event right out there. So, I mean, yeah, it's a great day, food, country music, going to be a great time.
All right, thank you guys so much for joining us, and as always, you can catch them weekday mornings on 106.5, but right now we're heading over to the